In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Old Harbour Primary won and decided to send Ardenne Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Ardenne Prep and Bible knowledge. What symbol was a covenant that the earth would not again be destroyed by flood since the time of Noah?
A rainbow.
That's correct. Old Harbour, how many couples were present on Noah's Ark during the flood?
Four.
That's correct. Science for Ardenne, what is the main processes by which water goes from the ground to vapor in the atmosphere?
Evaporation.
That's right. Old Harbour, what occurs when water moves directly to vapor from ice or snow without ever melting?
Sublimation.
That is correct. International affairs, it's a visual question for Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Old Harbour, would you like to try?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Joe Biden.
That's incorrect. It's Emmanuel Macron, the French president.
What? That's how you look?
Old Harbour, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee.
Incorrect. It's Javier Milei, the Argentinian president.
There's no way.
English language, Ardenne. Form a noun from the word suspicious.
Suspicion.
Correct. Old Harbour. Form a noun from the word compensate.
Compensation.
Correct. Television or visual question for Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character. Old Harbour, would you like to try?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Tootie Bird.
That's incorrect. It's Senor Toucan from Dora the Explorer. Old Harbour, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
It's from Dora.
Baby Cheetah.
That's incorrect. It's Baby Jaguar from Dora the Explorer. General knowledge for Ardenne. Xbox is a gaming console released by which technology company?
Microsoft.
Correct. Old Harbour. PlayStation is a video game that was released by which computer entertainment company?
Sony.
Correct. Social studies. Which line of latitude is 66.5 degrees south of the equator? Ardenne.
Arctic Circle.
Incorrect. It's the Antarctic Circle. Old Harbour. Which line of latitude is 23.5 degrees south of the equator?
Tropical Capricorn.
That's correct. Music, a visual question for Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Justin Timberlake.
Incorrect. It's Adam Levine. Old Harbour, look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Tim Cheese. Tim Cheese. Jay-Z. Tim Cheese. Tim Cheese.
Incorrect. It's Pharrell Williams. Ardenne, mathematics. What is 75,469 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
80,000.
Correct. Old Harbour, what is 56,539 rounded to the nearest 1,000?
50. 57.
57,000.
Correct. Sports for Ardenne. Who won the silver medal in the men's 100 meters at the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo?
Keisha Thompson.
That is correct. Old Harbour. Who won the silver medal in the men's 110 meters hurdles at the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo?
Paris. Tokyo. Paris.
Chris Flamey.
That's incorrect. It's Orlando Bennett.
Okay.
That brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Old Harbour Primary on 6 and Ardenne Prep also on 6. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Assign clear roles in group projects so everyone contributes equally. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.